Given is the set x is equal to 2, 3, 6, 12, 24, and next is the partial order. Less than equal to is the partial order, and it is defined as x less than equal to y, means that x divides y, that is 2, 3. 2 is related to 6 under this relation. So we have to draw the hash diagram and count the number of edges present in it. We will start with the 2. 2 divides 6, 6 divides 12, 12 divides 24. Again 6 divides 24, but transitive diagrams are not allowed in hash diagram. So we will take element 3. 3 divides 6, 6 divides 12. 3 is also related to 12 as 3 divides 12, but if we draw this, then transitive relations are not need to show in this diagram. So the number of edges is 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B is correct.